Hi friends, I am Manjunath, Memory and Mind Coach. Today I am going to show you 5 important strategies. Using this method, you can memorize any long answer or a definition easily. Many students comes to me and ask how to memorize a long answer, because a lot of students are struggling to memorize long answer, a definition, either in physics, chemistry or any other subject. But the same children, ask them to watch movie, ask them to watch a cartoon, ask them to watch cricket, they'll be able to memorize for very long time. Think why it is possible. In the movie, there is a picture, there is a video, there is a song, there is a fight, there is a fun. When there is a fun, when there is an emotion, you will focus, you will give a lot of interest, so your brain is able to memorize for a very long time. If you are able to simplify the textbook similar to movie, similar to picture, similar to fun element, you will be able to get the same result. Now I am going to show you how you can memorize a long answer, a definition easily using this simple, the pictorial representation, using the memory dynamics. Are you ready? Okay, let us start the step 1. Step 1 is a review. That means take any chapter or lesson, review the content of that lesson first. Step 2, chunking. Chunking is nothing but breaking down the bigger chapter into smaller piece of information. That means let us take a paragraph. You can consider a paragraph as one chunk of information. If it is a smaller paragraph, combine 2-3 paragraphs, make it as a one chunk of information. Step 3, underline the keywords. For example, let us take this paragraph, what is electric conductor? And every line you need to pick up important keywords and underline those keywords so that you can easily memorize. Let us take conductor is an important keywords here. Material is a keyword. Flow is a keyword. Like that, you try to pick up 1 or 2 keywords from every line, and make sure that don't take repeated words like a duplicate words, don't consider. Once you pick up the keyword, you need to write down all the keywords one below other. So this will help you to memorize, because initial stage you need to write it down all the keywords, so that I'll tell you the technique to memorize list of all the words. Step 4, convert words into picture, because if you want to memorize anything, you need to convert words into picture. Let us take the first word, electric conductor. When I say conductor, what picture comes to your mind? Bus conductor. Visualize. There's a bus conductor. Next one, material. When I say material, you can easily see dress material. Similarly, when I say flow, water comes to our mind, visualize water fountain. Next one, when I say electric current, we can visualize electric shock. And when I say direction, easily we can visualize the image direction board or a signal light. So those kind of image, what comes to your mind relevant to those words, you need to visualize. Even metal, you can visualize medal, gold medal, anything, silver, gold, bronze medal. Just imagine. Basically what we are doing is we are converting words into picture, because our brain likes picture. All the memory should be in terms of picture. So here we are converting all the words into picture. Copper, you can still visualize copper wire. And next one, I'll tell you one important things. Aluminium. It is very difficult to visualize. We need to break it into smaller pieces and make the meaning. Like alu, mini. Alu means potato, mini is small. Small potato. Step 5. Linking and association. So once we created all the picture, convert words into picture, now what we need to do is we need to connect each other. Let us do one thing. So let me go through one by one. Let us visualize a bus conductor. Instead of distributing ticket, what he is doing is distributing dress material. Just visualize. Now take a dress material and water flow. When passenger receive the dress material, automatically the water started flowing out. And as soon as they touched the water, everybody got electric shock. Then what they started doing, they started searching which direction we need to run. They're searching for the direction board everywhere. And finally, once they come out from the bus, they decided, we don't want this dress material. Everybody started throwing that dress material. As soon as they throw the dress material, lot of medals are just falling from the dress material. Then one guy went near the medal. Then he realized there are a lot of gold coin inside the medal. Suddenly, they took the copper wire, started wrapping around the gold coin to hide. Started wrapping around the gold coin. And again, they took a small aloo, potato, started covering completely with the gold coin so that they can hide from the people. You got it? Once you remember all these words using this strong visualization technique, now it's a very simple to recall the definition. Let me explain. We memorized already conductor, material, flow, current, direction. If you go through that story what we created, you can recall all these words easily. Once you recall these words, what we need to do is a very simple step. Fill in the blanks. Okay, let me do it. Conductor is a type of material which allows flow of an electric current in one or more direction. Materials made of metal or common electric conductor. Example: gold, copper, aluminum are a good conductor. Easy to memorize? Good. Finally, we need to revise. We need to revise at least 5 times. Not like go back to the textbook and revise. I'm talking about mental revision. That we usually call it as spaced repetition. So I'm going to talk about the spaced repetition in next video because it takes longer time to explain. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will try to provide every week new videos, explain about various accelerated learning strategies, memorizing strategy, study tips and various other videos. Please subscribe this video.